Divide 596 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. So this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 9 and it is 19. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting we get 3. So this 3 is again less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. On subtracting we get 0. So 596 divided by 4 is 145. So this much for today and thanks for watching.